make that ass bounce, make that ass bounce, 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 bounce.
Come on, yo, dog. Show us what you got.
Alright, check this out. Turkmenistan, my beloved motherland, my beloved homeland. You are always with me, in my thoughts and in my heart, for the slightest evil. Against you, let my hand be lost. For the slightest slander, about you, let my tongue be lost. At the moment of my betrayal to my motherland, to her secret banner, Christopher Muratek and Bashir the Great.
Стоп. Эту клятву мы больше не будем читать. А что, мы теперь демократию строить будем? Да, делаем все по сценарию. Как тут демократию строить?
At the moment of my betrayal to my motherland, to her secret banner, the Great, let my breath.